Guys, another day, another vlog. Guys, dito tayo sa airport. Yes, we're going home. We're going my vacation. So, yun. Tutok lang kayo guys. Marami tayong gagawin this coming vacation. So, let's enjoy. You guys, let's eat. Sabi, ayos. Busog na naman.
You will pay by
So guys, this is only just now for 10 BD because I have bought more than how much more than if
more
I
than 10 BD.
then I have to
You can buy after.
I can buy discounted.
Yeah.
Guys, binigyan niya ako ng raffle coupon. Kasi nga bumili ako ng perfume, then meron silang cashback kung mananalo ka doon sa raffle. Meron silang yung raffle card which is you going to scratch. I choose one. That's one.
Scratch.
So I scratch. Hope I can one, huh? Better luck. Oh my gosh. Guys, meron na kaming gate. Kanina kasi wala pa eh. Maaga kaming pumunta ng airport. So meron ng gate number. That is 19 AB. So malapit lang yan dito. Siguro kasi nakalagay doon is 2 minutes. So let us see. So this boarding gate here is 18A and 18B. So the next gate is 19. So it's just nearby. Yes, guys. Lapit na tayo guys sa gate number 19. Guys, boarding na. Zone 2. So, zone 3 kami. So, waiting pa yung aming line. Dalawang klase lang yung selection ng food nila. Isang chicken, sweet and sour, at saka vegetarian food. So, pinili ko ay chicken. Guys, malapit na kami bumaba. Ayan. Landing na for landing. Tapos paglabas namin ng airport, eto na sa Skyway going Alabang. Tapos dito na lang kami kumain sa Kenny Roger. Dito lang yan sa Caltex, pangatlong gasoline station sa South Super Highway.
Ay na ako, wait. Nakita ang lago. Malinaw ng camera mo. Dito tingin ko yung malabo, dyan malinaw. Ano?
Iba. Pag di malabo.
Wala mo, tingin ko dito. Pag dito ko, linaw eh.
Guys, pagdating namin dito sa parting Quezon, sobrang lakas ng ulan, grabe. Kahit nung pagdating na namin dito sa bahay, ganun pa rin, napakalakas ng ulan.